They say that laughter is the best medicine. There is something to it. I graduated from medical school in Ostrava, and in addition to my degree, I gained a unique sense of humor here. Sure, the study itself wasn't only fun and it wasn't easy, but what is easy in life, right? Here, coffee is your blood type and sleep is just a vague memory, like that one page in your anatomy textbook. And who needs social life when you have a skeleton named Scully as your roommate? But remember, through all the chaos and craziness, you're forging a lifelong friendship with fellow future healers. The friends you'll make along the way, your partners in crime for all-night cram sessions and epic dance-offs, that's the best part. But it's not just about laughter, it's about change. In Ostrava, you're not just a student, you're a future hero, an emerging savior. When it gets hard, and it will get hard, remember why you started this journey, to be a light in someone's darkest hour. Get ready to wear your stethoscope like a superhero cape, because you're on your way to save lives, one smile at a time. So, why choose Ostrava? Because university life isn't just about getting a degree, but it's also about discovering a sense of humor, a passion for healing, and a second family.